Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this 9-inch QLED touchscreen spatial head unit for Mazda 3, 23 to 29 years. Okay, let me show head unit. It comes with a spatial harness and canvas decoder box. This canvas decoder box and this spatial harness. So it can work with the factory amplifier like Bose amplifier sound system. This radio antenna. Okay, so it plug and play, and this volume, this back button, and home screen. Belsee is a manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and the email address you can contact to us. You can choose Mazda. And you can update the Mazda later and choose logo and speed, music, other navigation. You can choose the home, and lamp press you can set the apps like radio. When you close it, it will show the radio and search the radio stations. Okay, and you can set also Bluetooth. Okay, all apps are here. It's built in the Play Store, YouTube, Google Maps, and Autolink for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Okay, instructions already built in. It's the user menu. If you have any more questions, you can visit and check it user menu. Okay. Let me check the settings. Find the about device. You can check the Android 1, Android 12 system. Okay. Built in the Wi-Fi and their SIM card 4G. You can put their back cable for the SIM card slot. Settings display their total 8 style. You can choose one of it. You can choose launcher. It changes the theme style, and let me check the HDMI back. You can set always. Okay, let me check the settings again. About device, you can check the Android version 12, DDR 8GB and 128GB storage. These factory settings. The password 88878, and you can set the break with 0 and save reboot the system. If not, you can't watch video. Okay. And this DSP amplifier, this display, this button color, you can set any color you can like. Okay, you can choose red. Storage, you can check memory 128GB and total memory 8GB. Okay, you also can change language in the system. It built all the languages. Okay, let me show the Bluetooth. Please enable Bluetooth from your phone at first. Okay, this is Bluetooth, and enable it. When you click search, disconnect and enable. Okay. Oh, your phone will get message. Please click pair and connect the Bluetooth. You can make the phone call. Okay, it works with the Bluetooth. Okay, you also can stream music from your phone. Okay, it works with streaming music from your phone. You can set the music. And this DSP amplifier. This you can check extra amp. If you have amplifier, you can open it. Sub out. Okay, and you can watch the video. This 4K video. It also can support the PRP, and when you use the Navy. It's a split screen. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please visit our website to contact us. This is our website, belsee.com, belse.com. If you have any more questions, you can visit our website, contact to us. Or you also can change this color. Any color you can adjust this panel. Let me choose the red. Okay, that's all. Thank you.